Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about a career in programming and we can't skip Python. Python as a coding language is very important. Nowadays Python is taught even in school also. In 2025, Python would be the most preferred and top language. So today we'll talk about free Python training program from basic to advanced. Let's say first few applications of Python. Maybe artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud, automation, IoT, cybersecurity, or software development, web development. In you talk about anything, Python is the only answer. If you search on LinkedIn or Indeed, there are more than 1 lakh jobs available related to Python in different domains. Python 3 is the most advanced language and preferred language. Some points about Python. Python are beginner friendly to learn, openly source available, syntax are very simple, they have a big community, online material is available, no coding or technical past language is required. So even if you're not a technical person, you can still go for that. The course is also on sale, but no need to spend thousands of rupees because today we'll talk about ISRO, which is a government organization, and they're offering course free at IRS platform, that is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. We'll share the website link below, right? You will also get the certificate of completion, but the limited seats, they're free, so you should apply fast. In bonus, you will also learn machine learning. Who can apply? Any UG or PG student can apply, but you should have a basic understanding of GIS fundamentals, remote sensing, computer programming. If you're interested in space technology and Python, this is the answer for you. What you will learn in this course, so you will start with the basic with syntax, variables, loops, and you will use NumPy and Panda libraries for data processing, data analysis with Python. Then you will use GeoPanda and Stereo to learn geospatial technology. You will also learn about remote sensing and GIS related to algorithms, AI and ML applications. And you will get lectures in the form of PPT, the software and tools, open access. Also, you will get, then there are online forums to interact with other learners and mentors. So it's free. You should definitely go and try and apply fast. Thank you.